Okay guys, let's now unbox it. Nag-order ako kay Chloe Packing. Yan yung pangalan niya sa TikTok, guys. Tapos, pinili ko. So, color red siya. Red to! Alam niyo to, tablet to. OMG. Kasi, sabi niya, of course, magpili lang kayo ng color. Tapos, pag okay, so my mom done. Like, I got a talking blind box. My first ever blind box. I think it's my first time or not. And then, ay, Beanie. Beanie siya, guys. Ay. Beanie pencil case. Next is this Merry Christmas headband. It's red, guys. I don't know what happened to my camera, but it's red. I mean, it's very. It is red, guys. This Merry Christmas, lights Merry Christmas. Here is the casing of the tablet. It's cinnamon roll. And then, I know it's not red, but it's a freebie that. Okay, today, guys, that's why I ordered this. I pick a random number. Yeah, because when it's birthday, you need red, right? So, yeah. So, I pick red. So, I got this. It's not a whole red thing, because this is red. Yeah, this thing is red, but the other is not. So, it's still counted as red. Okay, guys. So, let's now open first the blind box. This is for the last, since this is special. The tablet is special. It's Redmi Pad SE. So yeah, let's now unbox this. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Wait a minute. I think you didn't heard that, guys. Wait lang, lagay ko lang siya dito sa may floor. Lagay ko lang siya dyan. OMG, so wala daw siyang plastic. Kasi daw, na-open na niya to. So, 3, 2, 1. Oh, yeah, I can't see it.